guys, my name is Ashley Tiffany and welcome to Makeup Monday. This is my new series on health and beauty products reviews, and I get a lot of my beauty products from a company called Influenster, which is out of New York, and so they send me a lot of full-size products in exchange for my open, honest opinion on different kinds of social media platforms. So today I have the holiday Voxbox from Influenster, and I got Glow Recipe, which is banana souffle moisture cream, and comes in a box like this. The jar is super cute. I'll show you guys that as well. Comes in a little glass jar. The jar, it seems like it's going to be really reusable as well, which I always, look for as a factor in things, because I like to be able to recycle, reuse whenever possible. So it's got a great consistency, and I really like the smell. It literally smells like you're putting a banana smoothie on your face, which is really nice. Here, I'll just take a little out just so you can kind of see how it rubs in. I just used this morning actually to moisturize and hydrate my face, and it works really well. It's got kind of a little, you can see like there's a little bit of a gumminess to it, but it's really helpful for the winter, for the super dry skin that I have. I get patchy a lot in the winter time, and this really rubbed in really nicely, and I really felt like it was soaking in and moisturizing my skin as opposed to just kind of sitting on top of it, which some moisturizers do, and not permeating. So you can see there I have like a nice little shine there too, so it really helps to make my skin look and feel hydrated and moisturized and very healthy. So this product I love. I'm really excited about it. I hadn't heard of this company before, Glow Recipe, but I really like this product, and you can get this product at Sephora. I think it's around $35 maybe, between $25 and $35, which is more on the expensive side for a moisturizer, but it's not gonna break the bank where I really feel like it's worth it for this kind of product. The next product I got in this box was Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, which let me tell you guys, I was a little skeptical when I opened this, because I was like, it comes in a tube, which is nice. I figured that out as I was using it, but it comes in a tube, and I was a little skeptical because I looked at the brush, and the brush was really skinny. So I was like, I don't know if that's really gonna do much, but I was able to put it on and really see my lashes fluff a lot. So I definitely would recommend buying this, even though the bristles aren't as dramatic as some of the other mascaras that are out there. I really thought that it did a really good job at like making I'm wearing it right now as well, making my lashes really stand out. So great product to try as well. The other products that I got were a bunch of Floral Street fragrances, which I really gravitated towards one in particular. I did find that these were really concentrated, really nicely concentrated, so that they lasted throughout the day, which is really nice because I don't like having to reapply my perfumes. I want to be able to spray it once and have it kind of last throughout the entire day, which I really felt like this did. So this one, the one that I really liked, is the Floral Street Electric Rhubarb, and I actually wore it out to happy hour with one of my friends last week for the first time, and I went up to hug her, and she was like, oh my gosh, you smell amazing, what is that? And I was like, yeah, I'm trying this new product from Floral Street, and I really like it. So I actually am going to give her the Wonderland Peony version, because she's much more of a floral girl, and I really feel like she'll enjoy this. It's really gonna last throughout the day. So this one I really feel like she'll enjoy. There was one that I wasn't too wild about. It was the Ylang espresso, which had kind of some coffee notes in it. It was a little bit strong for me. It had like a musky undertone to it, and it wasn't really my favorite. I go for more of like the edgy edgy, fruity scents. All right, and so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next Makeup Monday.